Hi guys, so this is the lesson number 2, and for today's lesson we will try to answer the question, when did humans started to use numbers? Or when did humans start to use numbers? Alright, so our driving questions or objectives are like, what is the number system? What's its history? What did the number system, how did the number system develop as human civilizations and interactions evolved? Ibig sabihin, it means that developing numbers is as old as human civilization. People or human use numbers. When humans' lives develops, it means the numbers development or the numbers usage are also increasing. But there is a question of when did, for us to be able to appreciate the number system, I think the best question first to begin with is, when did human start to use numbers? There are many histories about numbers. There are many claims that numbers or Egyptians actually started to use numbers, like they have the most advanced use of numbers before. They said that it started from them. Well, and then followed by Sumerian number system. These are the Babylonian number system. But then some claims that, oh wait, it's actually Sumerians who developed the number first, followed by Egyptians. Okay, so there are many books that says, no, it's Egyptians, no, it's Sumerians. But last 2013, there was actually a news about Ishango bones. And this Ishango bones, just to give you an idea, this Ishango bones was excavated from Democratic Republic of Congo, also in Africa. Alright? And then they excavated bones. And when they look at the date of the bones, when they do the test of the bones, it actually appears that the bone was made 22,000 years ago. Imagine 22,000 years ago, going back to this one, going back to Egyptians' claim, it is only 3,400 before Christ. Okay? But then, this one says 22,000 years ago. So, what do you mean by this 3,400 before Christ? Right now, we are in 2021 or 2020. Okay? So, 2020. Then, 3,400. So, meaning, it's when you sum it up, that's actually 5,420 years. Okay? So, meaning the Egyptians claims that the number started from there is 5,020 years old. But then last 2013, there was a discovery of Ishango bones. And during that time, it says that approximately the bone was existing 22,000 years ago. Imagine that one, 22,000 years ago. Ooh, that's too long. So, meaning 22,000 in 2013 right now, so meaning it's 22,007. Okay? No, 22,017, I mean. No, 7. Oh, my math is so bad today. 20,007. Okay? So now let's just watch this news, as this is important. Okay? So this is actually news. One of the TV. Come on. Up. 8. Doop. Oop, oop, oop. Okay, there you go. So you can actually watch it, but let's try to play some of it.
Credited with another contribution to science. CNN's Patricia Kelly talked with researchers who have evidence that 20,000 years ago, before the pharaohs of Egypt, another African civilization produced a sophisticated calculator.
Proof that primitive man was well acquainted with mathematics lies under lock and key in the dusty archives on the 19th floor of Belgium's Royal Institute of Natural Science. Best described as a prehistoric calculator, it's a piece of animal bone just 10 centimeters long, about 4 inches. Discovered in the 1950s by a leading Belgian archaeologist, the bone was found near Lake Edward at Ishango, on the border between the Congo and Rwanda. What sets the bone apart from the other fossils and fragments found at Ishango are its markings, groups of notches arranged in 3 distinct columns.
They are very, very well organized. They are not made at random. If you can make notches at random just to count how many animals you have killed today or something like that, but it's rather well organized.
When the notches are counted, a series of number sequences emerges. They suggest a number system based on 10, another based on 12, as well as a knowledge of multiplication and of prime numbers. This is a replica of the bone. It's thought this piece of quartz at the tip may have been used for writing or engraving. The Ishango bone may also be proof that a highly advanced civilization existed in Central Africa 15,000 years before the emergence of Egyptian culture. Homo sapiens may therefore have evolved in Central Africa before anywhere else in the world.
We have more and more proofs of mathematical activities in Africa, not written, but on stones, on bones, on strings. So indeed, there are more reasons to think that it's the start of the very first mathematical activity, and in Maya.
So I just want to cut, because that's actually important. Like, what it's saying is that there are many mathematical activities. And when you say mathematical activities, it's also human activities. Okay? So there are many mathematical activities in Africa which are not written, because writing only happens few years ago. So before, there was no pen, like they write on stones, as you can see, they write on bones. The Ishango bones is actually like a piece of bone from an animal, all right, and then they write on it, okay, because during that time papers are not yet invented, okay, like writing or pen, ink are not yet invented. All right, now I'm gonna stop there, but what is something beautiful here is that, like long time ago, the civilizations or human community, okay, has already been well developed. All right, so it means that humans are actually genius. So just try to imagine, they have a number system that's actually base 10, base 12, base 20, base, you know what I mean? So the people who lives in that part of Africa is actually genius people. And by the way, if you don't know, actually, like the Garden of Eden in the Bible is believed to be somewhere also in Africa. All right, so maybe it explains, we don't know. It's nice to research about it. Now let's just jump a bit. Right now, what we're using is decimal system. That this is our current number system. Okay? Decimal system is by the words of deci, meaning 10. So it's base 10. Meaning any numbers is actually can be written in the base 10. For example, 1234 can be written as this one. Okay, using the base 10. So this is our current number system, and this is the one that we're going to explore to study in Mathematics 7. We have also vigesimal system. Vigesimal system is base 20. Alright, and this one is, this is actually from Mayan civilization. Okay, so the other one is you have sexagesimal system. Alright, so sexagesimal system is based on 60. But then there's actually a system. So we don't use this anymore, sexagesimal. We don't use it anymore. We don't use the vigesimal system anymore. What we use is decimal system. But then there is another very important number system. This is the most recent developed. This is the reason why you have cell phone. This is the reason why you have computer. This is the reason why there's a calculator. This is the reason why there's an internet. This is the reason why we have all of these technologies. And what is that? The binary system. Okay? The binary system. Okay? Remember, oh, by the way, if you don't know, mathematics is a language. It's like a Tagalog. It's like an English. We communicate with each other using English. But mathematics is a language. Okay? Some philosophers say that mathematics is the language of the world, or the language of creation. Okay? Because everything, you have the Fibonacci sequence, golden ratio, all of these ones, very beautiful. You can Google it, you can search about it, golden ratio, and see how beautiful is it. Okay, so the binary system is a system that uses only 1 and 0, and this system is the language that being used in the computers. So they write everything. They write everything in binary system. When you type on your keypad, for example, you type boy, B-O-Y. The computer does not understand that letters B-O-Y. But when you press B, the letter B will be translated into a binary system using codes 1000, only 1 and 0. And the computer brain will grab, oh, that's B. Just try to imagine that one. Symbols, letters, words, translated into binary system, right? And the binary system the computer, okay, will take that one, or will read it, oh, that's a word. So when you type something, boy, you will see it in your computer screen, okay? But what's happening is that when you press B-O-Y, the computer machine will translate it using binary system to translate it into a letter. That's the one that you can see on your screen. Okay? So what am I saying right now, just to end this lesson, is that as human develops, okay, the number system develops. How old the human civilization is the same as the age of numbers. Alright, that's all for today. Have a good day and keep on reading some stuff about mathematics. Goodbye.